Welcome to Tech Solutions LLP, a leading company in India offering premium quality and value for money certified refurbished devices like laptops, desktops, servers, workstations, monitors and many more. Tech Solutions was founded in November 2020 by a team of visionary leaders and entrepreneurs. Tech is an ISO certified company having its state-of-the-art refurbishing facility set up at 17,000 square feet area with a build-up capacity to deliver more than 25,000 refurbished units per month. Tech offers a product after thoroughly passing the strict quality checkpoints for its functionality. These products are technically and cosmetically in very good condition, which ensures high level of customer satisfaction is guaranteed. At Tech, the in-house refurbishing process starts from bulk procurement, followed by strong quality checkpoints, superior grading, deep sanitization, 35 parameters diagnosis, part replacement, reassembling, testing with certification, premium quality assurance, secured packaging, and then finally the product is ready to ship. Tech is also an official partner with Dell India Limited. To offer Dell factory recertified products, we offer latest generations Inspiron, Vostro, Gaming, XPS, Alienware, Latitude and Precision, which comes with 3 years of Dell brand warranty. Please visit us on www.christechsolutions.co.in.